be showing my room fixed up today. I just got back from North Carolina, so I made a video of a bit of a cleanup. Bed is all made up with this beautiful new bedding that I got at Home Goods. I just love it. I had bought 2 big Euro pillows, and I got a new quilt and pillowcases and sheets and that nice comforter there. And I just wanted to freshen up my dresser, so I put a nice coat of Dixie Belle fresh linen on there. So this is a lot lighter for summer. It's getting really warm out, except for today it's freezing out, but I didn't take down my lights because I didn't want to start that again. But I hope you like how it turned out. And I've got my roses I got for my anniversary from my husband on there and cleaned up real nicely. So my room's all clean. Hopefully I could keep this way for a long time because it got really messed up again. So I hope you like it and it inspires you. And I'm going to show you some beautiful paintings that my dad did that I'm going to be selling on Etsy. So tune in for that on my next video. And I will see you next time. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and you could give me some comments. And I hope this inspires you to get your room cleaned up too. Everything is growing really nicely. If you watch my cottage vegetable garden video, you'll see what this looks like before. I'm going to take a picture of it and show you what it looked like before, but this is what it looks like now. This is my much younger garden. This is from the stuff on my deck that I started in my little starter pots. So these guys are doing pretty good. I just planted the ones in the back, but this is what it looks like now, so we'll see what it looks like later in the summer.